apple, what do you see? I see a yellow banana looking at me. Yellow banana, what do you see? I see a green pear looking at me. Green pear, what do you see? I see a purple grape looking at me. Purple grape, what do you see? I see an orange fruit looking at me. Orange fruit, what do you see? I see a peach fruit looking at me. Peach fruit, what do you see? I see a blueberry looking at me. Blueberry, what do you see? I see a silky worm looking at me. Silky worm, what do you see? I see a red apple, yellow banana, green pear, purple grape, orange fruit, peach fruit, blueberry, and baby bear, all looking at me, looking at me. What do you mean? Look at me, all looking at me.
For such fun and educational video, please like, share and subscribe. Bubbly Boo. See you again. Bye-bye.